Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Dior. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Julia's Hair. It's a highlight straight human hair ombre 13x4 lace front wig colored honey blonde. It's not really honey blonde when it comes in a male, obviously. I'm showing you guys right now. It is a type of yellow blonde. I was looking forward to the honey blonde, but we could still make it work. So first thing I did was put foundation on the lace so that it could match my forehead and my color skin. So I used the Got To Be spray to glue down the sides. You know, I'm starting to do the temporary glue. I don't like using the whole glue on my forehead and gluing down the whole wig because I wear my wigs temporarily. So when it's time for me to take it out, it's just mad annoying with the glue when my edges coming out. That's mad annoying. So I do temporary glue with the Got To Be spray. So I'm just going to cut the lace off. Guys, when the knots came already bleached, I was like, thank God, because I'm not a lazy person, but bleaching the knots, damn, that's mad annoying. Guys, it glued down so fast. I was so surprised. As you can tell how short this video is, this was the easiest install ever. Like, this hair was so soft, the knots was already bleached. Like, it was just crazy. And guys, if you don't want to spend all that money on Ghost Bond and Bold and Hold, all these different types of glues for your frontals, I recommend this way to glue down your hair. Like, it's very easy. So guys, y'all know baby hairs is always a hassle for me. It was straightforward with this wig. It's like it was already pre-plucked. This wig just came ready to put on. Like, I still don't even know why I'm doing so much. So guys, y'all already know I decided to add one more baby hair in the middle because it just be looking so empty when I only have two on the sides. And let's say it's the middle part like it is, and then I bring it down to my face, and then it's covering the baby hair. So I always put one in the middle. So I use the wax stick just to lay down the top, and the hot comb is going right through it. And I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me where I got the hot comb from. I'm going to put that down below also. So we're just going to tie down our baby hairs so that everything could stay in place and it could just be as smooth as possible. You'll see when I take it off. Guys, you don't understand. Like, I would have thought that with the blonde part being right there, that the hair would be, you know, mad hard to get through. But this is really soft hair. Like, it really surprised me. I still ended up curling the ends because, I don't know, them loose curls, they really come in clutch. And guys, when I tell you these curls lasted all day, they lasted all day. So guys, I just love how the baby hairs is not so harsh. Like, it just looks so natural. I ended up combing it out, and then I added the little hair piece, and then I did my makeup, and I'm still surprised, guys. Like, this is a really soft wig. It's affordable. And shout out to Julia here for sending me this unit, you know? Shout out to Julia here for sending me this highlight straight human hair ombre 13x4 lace front wig. Shout out to them, man. Bye, guys.